All right, man, we about to head into the Nike factory store here and see what I can pick up. I think it's gonna be slim pickings because it always is in this factory store. But we're gonna head in here and we're gonna see what we can find. Nope. Boy, how Vomeros have fallen. $79.99 though. We did manage to get some React slides though. Rejuvenate slides for $29.99. So yeah, definitely gonna get these. Size 13, I'll take it. I low-key still want to try a pair of these, but I ain't bold enough to do it. It's really tough sledding in here today, man. But, oh, wait a minute. Oh no, those are size 11 and a half. I need those for the winter time. Let's see if I can find those in the size 12 or 13. Probably not though. Oh, they redid the whole back wall back here. They're not bad. Some 38 lows. Price on them $79.99. Yeah. We got Lucas in the wrong color. No sir. There's varieties in here, bro, but yeah, nothing that I would actually wear. That's for sure. Boy, stop. I need this price to come down just a little bit more. $69.99. I think I'm good on those. Jordan 1 fanatic like me at one point in my life. $79.99. I ain't mad at it at all. This ain't bad, but I think I'm good. Probably still want 100. Yep. $99.99. No, thank you. All the Lucas. Still slim pickings in here though. Just cause. Oh no. Very, very uneventful trip so far. But I got those Rejuvenate slides, so I guess I can count that as a win. But let's see what they got for the apparel. $24.99 on hoodies. $29.99 on the more premium hoodies. It's about to have a little cold snap. Let me stop lying. It ain't gonna get cold here in Florida, but that sale is pretty decent actually. Ooh. Got out there and spent 29 bucks. 29 bucks. Yeah. Very, very uneventful outlet trip. But it's what it is, man. So yeah. Orlando, well, Kissimmee Nike clearance store. That's what we did. Absolutely nothing in there. But I did see a lot of the stuff that the resellers had already got to, but apparently I was late. I know better than that. But we got in, we got out of there, and I seen what they had. So there was some stuff in there, but I got there too late. So yeah, that's all we got for today, man. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more off-the-wall content like this uneventful trip to the Nike clearance store.